Welcome to a new episode where I'll show you various dangerous situations, reckless operator decisions, or classic heavy equipment fails. The video promises to be interesting. In the meantime, subscribe, and watch the video to the end. Sometimes operating an excavator can border on being very dangerous, as shown in this video. But this is not the most dangerous example. Further in the video, there will be more crazy moments with heavy machinery. Nothing unusual in this video, just a cool machine in action. Meet the Bobcat WS24 wheel saw. With its high-torque hydraulic motor, it cuts through asphalt, stone, and concrete with ease. A cutting depth of up to 16 inches makes the WS24 a reliable helper for serious trench work. It is scary to think what maneuver the driver of this dump truck was making that led him to such consequences. Ooh, better suspend work in rainy weather because the road can turn into a slide. And even the biggest ones will risk riding it. Here's what happens if you dump several tons of water on a passenger car.
Oh merde!
Have you ever wondered how such gigantic machinery is transported? Such operations are carried out with the help of a low-loader truck. Hey, experts and specialists, it's your time! I know there are some of you among my viewers. Write in the comments, what is this attachment on the excavator and what is it used for? Imagine how strong the rope must be to pull such a huge dump truck. Have you ever seen an excavator that can work on vertical surfaces? You have to admit, it looks pretty epic. The dangerous situation occurred in winter during the transportation of heavy equipment. Luckily, no one was injured.
Нихуя. Ебануться. Я так и знал.
And this is a fascinating video from the world of road building.
Чего ты, блядь?
That's a pretty sad video. Imagine the losses the company suffered by losing this dump truck. I wonder what caused such a huge machine to catch fire.
В бочке, скорее всего, что-то.
Meu pai do céu.
And here's what collective power looks like in action. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also leave your comments. It's very important for me to get feedback from you. See you in the new episode.